Hi, I'm Thor here at the Rootworks headquarters in Providence, Rhode Island. In this video, we'll be installing technology mounts to our out front mount. Our out front mount accepts the same technology as our handlebar bag, accommodating most cycling computers and smartphones. To install your Barfly tech adapters for Garmin and Wahoo to your out front mount, you will need a 2.5mm square end hex bit tool. To start, using the 2.5mm hex bit tool, remove the two bolts from the head of the out front mount. Next, orient the Barfly logo with the handlebars facing the rider. Place the two bolts that you removed into the openings, and using the 2.5mm tool, tighten both bolts. Check that your computer attaches. Now you're ready to ride. To install your quad lock integrated phone mount to the out front mount, you will need a 3mm square end hex bit tool. First, take the index chip and locate the wedges on the underside in the head of the out front mount. Next, take the quad lock head and locate it in your preferred position. Using the 3mm hex bit tool, tighten the bolt until snug. Check that the lever functions and test fit your phone. The action mount allows you to attach your light or GoPro camera to the top or bottom of the out front mount. To install this, you will need your two large bolts included with the action mount and a 2.5mm square end hex bit tool. After choosing your location and orientation, place one bolt and tighten until snug. Repeat this on the other side. Included with the action mount is a bolt to secure your light or GoPro. Please be sure to use this instead of a thumb screw, as this will ensure proper position of your light or GoPro camera. Check out all of our products at rootworks.cc. We'll see you out there.